So in the previous video, we talked about the Wittig reaction and how it converts aldehydes and ketones into alkenes. In this video, we're going to talk about how to generate and make the Wittig reagent. And the way that you do that is in two steps. First, you take an alkyl halide and treat it with triphenylphosphine. And we can see that this phosphorus atom has a lone pair. So if you're thinking, how does this happen? Well, electron rich, electron poor. And then we do a second step where we treat it with a very, very strong base called butyl lithium. And that will generate our yllid. The way that this occurs is by two very straightforward, simple elementary steps. So right there we have a secondary alkyl halide. We can take the triphenylphosphine, that lone pair there, and we can come in and attack, backside attack, kicking off the bromine. And what did we just do there? What did we invoke? We use a SN2 mechanism. And that will generate the phosphorus atom attacks, and we still have the three benzenes attached, like so. And then the bromide is just floating around as a spectator. So that is step one. So that's step one. Then we can do step two. Okay? And step two right here is simply a proton transfer. Because butyl lithium is a very, very strong base. And we could represent it like this. A negatively charged carbon. Very, very basic. And so we're going to take and eliminate the hydrogen to form the yllid here. So when we take a look at that final product, what hydrogen has to go? Well, it's going to be that one. So that's going to come, use that lone pair there, abstract that proton, and giving the electrons to the carbon. And that will then generate our product that looks like this. Positively charged there. Wait, so when we first do this step, I think I'm missing a charge here. That would have to be positively charged right there. Okay. And then we took the two electrons in that carbon-hydrogen bond and stuck it onto the carbon. And what does that do to the formal charge of the carbon? Makes it negative. What happened to the butyl lithium? Well, that just grabbed a hydrogen, so you just made butane. So there's our yllid product, some butane. Well, that's what we're after right there. That's our main goal there. But you can see that it's done in two simple elementary steps, SN2 and a proton transfer, generating our yllid.